It's official, buyers everywhere are obsessed with the ranch-style home. And guess what I got for you? A ranch-style home. And this one's extra special because it's got an oversized, sweet front porch, perfect for swinging, and it comes with an oversized 2-car garage.
Oversized? No, hold on. It's huge.
Tom's right, it's huge. Perfect place for your tools, automobiles, boats, and off-road vehicles. You're gonna love it. Here at 59 Keddy Blvd in Chicopee, you're going to find first floor living at its best. This sweet, tastefully renovated home features 3 bedrooms, 1 updated full bath, and finished basement where you'll find additional living and storage space. Lovely breakfast nook exits out to the expansive wood deck that overlooks this very manageable, pet and child-friendly fenced-in backyard. No neighbors behind this home make for added extra privacy. So whether you're looking for a final destination or a place to start out that's practical and affordable, you can't go wrong at 59 Keddy Blvd in Chicopee. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're
your real estate professionals.
And until next time, happy house hunting.